Hi there, Freeman Anderson, giving you a demo of CamStudio and the Muse Blueprints version of it anyway. And what we're doing is we're actually recording this live. And what I've done is I have two copies of the recorder. I have one copy of the producer and one copy of the player. There's actually three components to this. And I wasn't sure if I could do it, but I tried it a couple times, and what do you know, it actually works. You can record your recording. So what I'm going to do is here, I'll show you how I set this up. We're going to go down into this version of the recorder. We want to record a fixed version. We're going to select it, and I left mouse click and drag the selected area, let go, hit OK. It gives you the width in pixels, width and height, and as soon as I hit record here, we are going to be able to record. And there we go. You can see them both live. This is the current frame, and there's the current frame for that one. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you, normally the controls are minimized, so we're going to stop, hopefully the small one. Oh, got the right one. And up pop will pop the file name. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in demos, call this 1, and then save it, and then we're going to go over into it's going to automatically pop up the player. Now we're going to see if you can hear me on this, since I'm using a mic, and this is going to come out of the screen here. Let's see, here we go. There we go. That's enough of the double talk here. So we are going to close this file. That's just the player, which is whoops, hit the right button there, which is this one down here, which we will use here in a minute. What we're going to do is we want to change this into a flash file, and that's where the producer comes in, and that's where this is really powerful. So we're going to click on this button here. We're going to go into demos, select this file, should open it up, and here's a dialog box that you're going to see. You've got it's going to turn into one SWF file, which is fine. And you can change the names of this, but we're going to leave it there because that's what we want to call it. Oh shoot! Well, normally I shouldn't mess with it. We're going to have to rename it here. Let's go to 1. There we go. Save. And you've got some bit rates and some other things that really aren't all that important. The only thing I do want to show you is in the advanced section interface. We don't want 70% of it loaded. We want to change that to 10, and that's normal for you. If you want a background or border, you can put that in here too. I like them clean, but that's just your preference there. We're going to hit go back to general, and what we want to do on this, when it stops, we want to make it go to HTTP, and you have to type in the full address, www.museblueprint.com. And what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and auto start as soon as we open this puppy up. We're going to get rid of this, and it only works for Flash, and you don't need to know it. What will happen is when it stops, it'll take us right to the museblueprint.com, and I'll show you this here in 2 seconds. So we're going to click on OK, and you can see we've got 5,000 frames on there. And here we go. It's playing. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what I want you to watch for is it should take us to, now we might error code on this. Oh, what do you know? That's the old version of the website. How cool is that? So this could easily be your website with your sales information on there, and we'll close this window out, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and play with it, and I'll move this back up here. It's a great piece of software. I will have more videos on the museblueprint.com for those of you that are members, and I'll see what I can do for even the freebies, but at $4.28, which I think I'm charging for it now, it might be more, it might be less by the time you purchase this, but I can't put a lot of time into this. Play with the software, you'll figure it out, you're smart, you got here, so good luck, and happy musings out there. This is Freeman Anderson signing off, and thanks.